We're done with the downpipe upgrade of our Nissan Terra. So the downpipe's basically just here from the turbo here. This is the turbo itself. So the downpipe starts there at the back, all the way here to the middle. All the way somewhere here in the middle. That's not the full exhaust yet. The full exhaust has to continue from here all the way up to the end. But putting it on the dyno, and we can see that there are some gains. Yes, just with the downpipe. Mind you that this car already has been remapped before. So this is what it was stock. This is remapped. We already reflashed this car, the green line here, and this is the downpipe. As you can see, we got power gain here at the bottom end. So from 22 RPM all the way up around 3000 RPM, there is a gain, but after around 3.3 it falls off a bit because the boost increase and then there's not enough fuel anymore. The air-fuel ratio will tell a better story. This is the stock air-fuel ratio. This is remapped, and this is with the downpipe. As you can see, it leaned out a bit, so that means more air, not enough fuel, and that's primarily because the boost went up. You make the exhaust bigger, the turbo is not as restricted anymore, so the computer say, hey, not a lot of restriction, just raise the boost up a little bit more. And this is what happens. Raising the boost without changing the amount of fuel that gets to the engine results in a leaner air-fuel mixture. So this is partly why it got a little bit more power too, but also at the bottom end, at the lower half of the RPM, it also lost a bit power because there's not enough fuel anymore. So our next step on this one, most likely will be to continue the exhaust, and then we'll have another retune. So by itself, yes, you can get a downpipe upgrade. If this was a purely stock car, you'll actually get power by itself on the downpipe. And if you want an absolute power figure, it's around 8 to 10 horses more. With a full exhaust, it can go as high as 13, 15 horses.